Hi guys, welcome. I'm going to be showing how you get Metamask wallet installed on your device. So, and install and set up. So, search for Metamask on respective app store, the app store, Play Store for Android and App Store for iOS. So, I'm going to be installing now. Let's wait for it to install. So, now that we downloaded and installed on our device, go on and open it. So, normally, if you've already set it up before, you should be able to import your secret recovery phrase. But as most of us here don't have accounts, don't have the app set up before, and this is our first time interacting with something like this, we're creating a new wallet. Yeah, I agree. Then you can create a device password. This password we are creating is not for um, the password is not for the wallet itself. It's just for the wallet on this particular device. So when we change device, so when we change device, we will not be using this particular password on the other device anyhow. Anyway, so password strength is saying is not that strong. So I'm going to add something to this. Yeah, get it strong now. Still not showing anything else. Yeah, so I guess the password was not correct before. It was not correlating, so that's why now it is sticking and everything is perfect. So create password and it's creating our wallet for us. So this is an introductory video on how to save our seed phrase and how. So start. So it's asking me to confirm my password. Sorry. Confirm you. So this is our secret phrase. Uh, so I have to copy or write it down. I'm not supposed to be sharing this to you guys. Um, and this is a demo wallet. I'm be funding it, and even if I fund anybody that takes it, they're free to take it anyway. So I'm going to copy this down while I pause the video. So I've saved mine. I want you guys to save yours also. Make sure you save it and write the correct things. Make sure you write everything correctly, word for word, and don't share with anybody, not even me. But if you want to share with me, so I can keep your coin for you, no problem. So our first word was walnut, fancy, stamp, daily, away, petrol, and juice. Complete done. Do you see this? You have successfully. Wow, I just clicked up. So that's that. We just successfully created our wallet, and now we have our wallets, MetaMask wallet set up. So this that just the simple way. So these are where your assets are stored, your NFTs and your tokens. Yeah, you don't have any token you can import tokens and all. But that will be in another video. So basically, what's just here is just for you setting up your MetaMask wallets. I'm going to do another video for Trust wallets. And let's go. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please make sure to subscribe because there are more videos coming your way, more important videos.